think SmartRock is amazing. Well, the fact that we were able to add our client so they could review these concrete temperature and strength and have a real-time data, and they basically could review it on the app. It's on the palm of their hand anywhere they are, whether they are shopping or whether they are home. They could look and see the strength and the temperature of the concrete. And the good thing that I like about SmartRock is the ability of having the cable and the body of that sensor where you could read the dull, reading of the temperature. So we were able to read the temperature of the enclosure by having the body of the sensor outside the concrete and then read the temperature of the concrete itself. What prompted me to look into a solution like SmartRock? We were working on a 7,500 feet suspension bridge that we wanted to monitor the temperature of the concrete during cold weather concreting. At that time, our client wanted to get real data of the temperature of the concrete and the enclosure just to make sure they meet the ACI guideline requirements. And at the time we were using a wired system. The time of the installation, the whole system was cumbersome, and then the client was not really able to see real-time data. So that what kind of prompted me to consider the Geotech system. They have a whole team that support you throughout the process, through the purchase of the sensor and the setup of the sensor installation. And it doesn't end at the time of the purchase. We even had this project that we installed more than 100 sensors over the last 2 years in one project. And we've been calling the technical support and getting the support that we need even after 6 months, after a year. Anytime we call, they are willing to set up a Zoom Teams call, and then we're right there and getting our question answered. So it's been amazing.